Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to change business contact name in your PayPal account. So for that guys, first of all you will need to log into your account in your computer and then get on the top right corner and then select account settings. Now select this business information and now select update. Now guys, after getting on this window, scroll down and you guys can see this edit button. Select on this and here you guys can see the business contact name. So as you can see, the name is written here. If you want to change, then select on this change button. And now you guys can see this option right here called let us know why you are changing your name. So they are asking us to why we are changing our name. So you guys can select one of these options. The first says you have legally changed your name. The second says your name is incorrect. And the third says your business name has been changed. So the first option saying that you have legally changed your business name and now you are changing your business name in your PayPal account also. The second option says that your name is written incorrectly. And the third option says that your business name has been changed. So select one of these options and then select on this continue button. And that's how you guys can successfully change your business contact name in your PayPal account. So that's how you guys can do it, and that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share this video with your family and friends and also subscribe to our channel for more such content. And thanks for watching.